Niharika Vora. I'm a Vice Chancellor of a newly formed university of the Government of Delhi. The name of the university is Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University. So the government is definitely again investing in making sure that there are good products that are available. So trade barriers are being lifted for that. Also, there is this whole aspect of putting attention to managing facilities. By organizing this conference, they are bringing into the entire fold this whole conversation on facilities and hygiene management.
I think there is a lot of need for cleaning business to happen. When I say cleaning business, it is all about how people respond to the available facility. We need to go along. We need to sustain these behaviors. We need to sustain the sanitation for the public health, for the individuals. It's a mutually benefiting exercise. Government can initiate it. Government can trigger it. But to sustain, we need participation from the industry. We need the participation from the population.
It's fabulous that we have kept such an event. This is the first event I'm attending after 18 months, and that on cleaning. So that is a big plus point. And my thanks to ISSA.
And full compliments to Informa Markets and the ISSA team. I think we find ourselves at the center stage of this in terms of bringing to the fore the most important element in our life today post the pandemic, which is how do we make sure that our public and private places are safe. So I think to this effect, this conference could not have come at a better time. And I believe this has brought in a great platform for the entire industry to come together, collaborate, and we make the entire nation safe. I think it's our collective responsibility today to do it.
It's the confidence which this event is building. It's one of those first few events where corporates have come out. You saw the huge turnout which is there. That speaks a lot, and I guess it's a good confidence building measure.
Thank you everyone, our partners, sponsors, associates, for making the ISSA Conference India a grand success. We ensure we will come back again in 2022
in a bigger and a better format. Thank you.